An example of a sentence with 3 one-word adjectives. Our new neighbors have 3 dogs. Whom are we talking about? Neighbors. Neighbors is the noun subject. What about the neighbors? Neighbors have. Have is the main verb. Neighbors have what? Dogs. Dogs is the direct object. Whose neighbors? Our neighbors. What kind of neighbors? New neighbors. How many dogs? 3 dogs. The words our, new, and 3 are functioning as adjectives. An example of a sentence with 1 one-word adjective and 1 compound word adjective. Stacy likes her data processing class. Whom are we talking about? Stacy. Stacy is the noun subject. What about Stacy? Stacy likes. Likes is the main verb. Stacy likes what? Class. Class is the direct object. Whose class? Her class. What kind of class? Data processing class. The word her is functioning as a one-word adjective, and the words data processing are functioning as a compound word adjective.